Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Ramielust T-shirt from Outlier. The T-shirt is so named because of the Rami fabric that it's made with. Rami is a natural fabric made from a nettle-like plant that grows in Asia. It's similar to linen in that it's a natural breathable fibre made from plants. However, the process to turn Rami into a workable thread is a bit longer and a bit more expensive than with linen, which is why linen is more popular. Also, like linen, the fabric is prone to wrinkles and creasing, especially depending on how you store it. I usually fold my t-shirts and then roll them when I pack them. The wrinkles and creases you can see in some of the shots are due to that. I also couldn't find any information on the tags about ironing, so I'd suggest to get rid of wrinkles, you hang that beside the shower and let the steam take care of the creases. The Rami fabric does feel very fresh and breathable in hot and humid weather. It has a firm, slightly rough to the touch texture that is unique. It's very comfortable and it's not itchy when you wear it. I was testing it along with the injected linen pants, which I'll be reviewing soon, while in temperatures that hit 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and it was very comfortable. It feels like the wind blows straight through the fabric and directly onto your skin. It is very comfortable. Unfortunately, the fabric doesn't have any antimicrobial properties like merino wool, so it will need to be washed a bit more frequently. As with linen, one of the greatest benefits of the Rami fabric is how well it performs in hot and humid weather. It's extremely breathable and absorbs moisture while keeping a dry hand feel. The fabric dries quicker than cotton, but not as fast as merino in my testing. It dried in a few hours or so, depending on where and how you dry it. When you first get the t-shirt, you will notice it feels a little bit larger than the tag size. And this is intentional. If you read the details on the Outlier sizing tab, it says this product is unwashed and calibrated for shrinkage. Please expect significant shrinkage in length when washed and dried. So when I first got the t-shirt out of the box, the extra small size was about 28 inches or 71 centimeters from the top hem to the bottom hem. But after I washed it in the washing machine on a cold cycle and dried it in the shade for about 2 hours or so, I remeasured it at about 27 inches or 68.5 centimeters. So it does shrink about an inch or so after the first wash. Subsequent washes, I haven't noticed any further shrinkage, but I will let you know later if I do. In terms of sizing, I have the black here in an extra small and the white in a small. This is what they look like before washing, and this is what they look like after washing. It's a subtle change, but it's probably more noticeable if you're actually wearing the t-shirt. Now, as you can see from some of the shots, the fabric is almost translucent depending on the light and how tight the fabric is pulled. I noticed this a lot more on the white version. It's very faintly translucent, but I have read some long-term reviews saying that it gets slightly less translucent after each wash. In terms of pricing, the Ramielust T comes in at $125 US or 176 Australian dollars, which is on the high end for a t-shirt. However, the premium price gets you a premium product that should last for a long time with the right care. The tee comes in a total of 6 colors that you can see here. Overall, I wouldn't hesitate to pick the Ramielust over merino wool if you're planning to spend a large amount of time in the tropics or Southeast Asia. It's refreshingly cool and extremely breathable and comfortable in hot, humid climates. It's not as versatile as merino wool, but it does excel in hot weather in a big way. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments which of the two t-shirts you thought fit better, the white small or the black extra small. And be sure to check out the new Patreon link in the description, so I'm going to be posting bloopers there and early access to videos, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.